Hey friends, this is the HP Deskjet 2755E. It's a really simple, nice little printer. You can grab it from Amazon. If I put some links in the description box below. Okay, so let's go ahead and insert the ink now. Let's go ahead and start with our black ink. And I'm just gonna remove this from the packaging. Now we've got some protective tape on the back of this that just needs to be peeled off. Do not touch these contacts after you've taken the tape off. We'll then open up the ink cartridge door. As you can see, the little cartridges will move over and into place. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take, again, this is our black one. We're gonna have that longer edge face towards the printer. And I'm just gonna slide it in this way. It does, the black one goes on the right. We're gonna push until you hear that click. That's in place. We're gonna do the same thing with our tricolor printer ink. Stickers off. And again, we'll put this in the left-hand side. I'm just gonna push back until I hear the click. Good to go. Now the other thing we can check is on our little window, you can see that both sides of the ink are now showing nice and full. We're ready to print. See, we're printing in black and white really easily, really fast. Now there's not a ton of colors on this, but as you can see, that was a really, really quick print. So there you go, friends. That's the HP Deskjet 2700 series. Good little printer, prints really fast, really quickly, and wirelessly. So really, really nice. Hopefully that's helped make your shopping experience just a little bit easier.